Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're reviewing the HTH 52047 Swimming Pool Care Salt Shock, which is hands down the best bulk pool salt for saltwater pools. If you're looking for an easy way to maintain crystal clear water in your saltwater pool, this is the product you need. Maintaining a saltwater pool can be a bit tricky at times, but with the HTH Salt Shock, pool care becomes effortless. This product is formulated with 56% available chlorine and works wonders when used with salt chlorine generators. Whether you have a small or large pool, this product has you covered. A single dose treats up to 10,000 gallons of pool water, making it incredibly efficient for large pools. Each pack contains 5 12-ounce packets, giving you the convenience of pre-measured doses, so there's no need for hassle or guesswork. What's great about the HTH Salt Shock is how fast it dissolves. Once you apply it to the water, it goes to work instantly, helping to clear up cloudy water and removing contaminants and algae. No need to wait long to see the results. Your pool will be sparkling clear in no time. This makes it a go-to solution for anyone who wants less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying their pool. Another standout feature of this Salt Shock is its ability to be used with all types of pool surfaces. Whether you have a vinyl, fiberglass, or concrete pool, you can rest assured that this product won't cause any damage. It's also gentle on your generator, ensuring that it won't harm the equipment while keeping your pool water in perfect condition. HTH Salt Shock is designed to be used weekly to prevent up to 90% of the common pool problems that can arise, such as algae and cloudy water. By incorporating this shock treatment into your weekly routine, you're proactively maintaining your pool's health, making sure it remains clear and clean with minimal effort. And if you want to take your pool maintenance to the next level, pair it with the HTH 6-way test strips for accurate testing and balancing of your pool water. For anyone serious about keeping their saltwater pool in top shape, the HTH 52047 Swimming Pool Care Salt Shock is the perfect solution. It's easy to use, fast-acting, and delivers consistent results. So if you're tired of spending hours on pool maintenance, this is the product that can save you time while ensuring your pool remains crystal clear all season long. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on top-rated products. Happy swimming!